I have this unfinished Shadowbox. It's 5 by 7 inches, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99, and the brand is called Woodpile. And the top frame comes off of the bottom box. And I'm taking the bottom box and I'm going to paint it using some Wise Owl black paint. Now this is the chalk synthesis paint from Wise Owl. And I just painted the entire bottom box. And don't forget, you can use your 40% off Hobby Lobby coupon if the Shadowbox is not on sale. I allowed that to dry, and I took the top frame and I painted that with the Wise Owl dried thyme. And I did get a little bit on the frame there, but that's okay. I'm just going to take some baby wipes and just wipe it right off before the paint dries. And then I allowed both of those pieces to fully dry. I went back to the bottom box and I took my 2-inch palm brush and some Wise Owl furniture salve, and I just gave the bottom box a top coat and the top frame as well. And you're just going to apply it, and then you can take a cotton cloth to rub it in. I got this little barn ornament from the dollar store, and I'm just gluing it into the box. And then I have a little sign here that says Season's Greetings. That sign came from Walmart in their mini Christmas tree aisle. And then I just have a Christmas tree that I'm putting to the right side here. Now you can fill this box with anything that you want. And once I had the items placed inside the box, I took some fake snow. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to pour a little bit into the box. I'm going to put the top frame back on. And there we go. Now we have this very easy, inexpensive snow shadow box. And you can even do multiple themes and hang them on your wall. Or they're also nice to sit on top of a buffet or inside a hutch. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage as well. Have a great day.